e harau i te rangatira. Aha kua taku ingo ko te ariki. Ka mea e tai. Hota. Tas mea tau kao. O te taku tupuna ko te ariki. Rā te pā i runga o Rotomā. But no, my te ariki was, I fought the case for the reticulation pond above Rotomā. I fought that case. Why? Because my tupuna's pass height was just above it. And they wanted to put a reticulation pond. Yeah, it's tough. So I went to the district council. We had the meeting there. I put my objection there and won the case. Now then we went to the land court. That's where it was. Then I think that the Pākehā realised that we had to consult with these people. Ka tai rātou ka mōhio o vai kare.